Vince Salvatore, Peace Dojo, 195 South Wells Avenue, Reno, Nevada. I'd like to talk about any of the classes that we offer. One of the really important things is to have clarity of what your role is, really to know what your role is. So for example, in Aikido, in an Aikido class, there's a defender and there's an attacker. And the defender is not just throwing or trying to stop the violence in any old way. They're trying to do it with the least amount of damage, of course, to yourself and to the other person. It's very important. In regards to conflict transformation classes, that could be in a career, that could be at home, that could be at school. And the idea is, when you're engaging, you don't want to engage in a way that it's a common fight, to where it's like two opponents fighting. You want to know what your role is. Hey, I'm trying to be the peaceful person here. I'm trying to be the person that listens very well so that I'm able to maybe ask a question or give a suggestion so that I'm able to calm down the situation and have a transformation towards peace. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, or it does, come to one of our classes and we'll go deeper into it. But know your role. Thank you.